In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly incorporate a custom HTML table into your Mailchimp email campaigns. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you want to add more complex elements or customize data displays in your email communications. To get started, open a Chrome browser and head over to the Mailchimp website. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. You should now be looking at your Mailchimp dashboard, where you can manage all your email marketing activities. From this dashboard, we want to either open an existing email campaign that you intend to modify or create a brand new one. If you're starting from scratch, just follow the prompts to initiate a new campaign and select email when you're asked to choose a format. Once you have your campaign open in the email editor, we're going to introduce a new content element into the body of your email. Look for an option to add a content block, and from these options, you'll need to select the one labeled code. This is where you get to be creative with HTML customization. Drag and drop this code block into your email layout where you want your table to appear. Now comes the exciting part, adding your HTML to create a table. Click into the code content block, and a space will open up where you can input your HTML code. You should already have this code prepared. This might be something you've developed on your own or from another source. Enter this code carefully, making sure every tag is correct and all the table elements are properly structured. Common elements would include opening and closing tags for, and within that, for table rows and for table data cells. With the code in place, you're ready to preview your work. Look for a preview button in the Mailchimp editor. This feature allows you to see exactly how your email will appear once sent. Check to make sure your table is displaying as expected, aligned correctly, and fits within the overall aesthetic of your email. Pay close attention to how the table looks on both desktop and mobile views. Mailchimp typically provides a way to toggle between these two settings, giving you a comprehensive overview of your email's appearance across different devices. Once you've done a thorough check and are happy with the results, remember to save your changes. Finally, you have the option to send your campaign immediately or schedule it to go out at a later time. If you're planning to send it out right away, double check your recipient list to ensure everything is perfect. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively add HTML tables into your Mailchimp emails, allowing for dynamic presentations or organized displays of data in your email communications. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.